Vanity fuels the multi-billion-dollar cosmetic surgery industry, but for some, the reasons for wanting to look better are more practical. New at 11, Kurt Autry with the story of one woman who sees nothing when she looks into the mirror. Kurt?
That's because Susan Dunham, Sabrina, is blind. She needs a seeing eye dog just to get around. She went in for plastic surgery recently, and the reasons may surprise you. For Susan Dunham and her dog Shadow, life in Church Hill has been anything but easy. In the late 1980s, a degenerative eye disease robbed Susan of her sight. And although she craves to be independent, career opportunities have been almost non-existent.
I've learned computers, I've learned programs, and I've learned dictation. But even having that, it hasn't helped me get a job.
So Susan opted for something drastic. Not another eye operation, instead plastic surgery, a mini facelift and a chin implant. Susan is convinced that if she's more attractive, people will view her as more approachable. In the 5 months since her surgery, Susan notices the difference.
It's easier to get help, and in my position, I need help. I need people, because there are certain things that I can't do on my own, no matter how much I'd like to.
Surgeon Joe Niamtu was touched by Susan's plight.
And I said, geez, here's somebody that, you know, has a disability, and yet they still want to look good and they still want to feel good. And so it was our pleasure to help her with this, and we did it free of charge.
Susan's before and after picture tells the story. A more pronounced chin, younger eyes, the fine lines gone around her mouth and chin. And although she can't see the difference, for the first time in a long time, Susan is feeling good about herself.
I know I look better. My daughter said I look better. My mom says it's great, you know, and I can feel it. And by me just knowing it makes the difference.
And Susan is once again confident enough to actively look for a job and has even sought the help of a job coach this time to assist her in her search. I'm Kurt Autry, NBC 12.
Tomorrow's forecast.